Hello! Hi, how are you? I am back again, and today I want to do a video on the Caudalie Beauty Elixir and all the different uses for this product. Now, I have been using this product for years. I love it. It's iconic. It's amazing. You've probably heard of it. You probably know it. You've probably tried it already. It's incredible. It's made by Caudalie, who are a French pharmaceutical brand, and while the packaging is quite basic, this beauty elixir is not basic on the inside. It is a freaking joy. So this 100ml bottle is £32. However, if you do want to try it and you want to get a little bit of a smaller bottle, or maybe you're traveling, then you can get a 30ml bottle for around £12. I will put the shopping link below. So today we're going to talk about the best uses for the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, and I've got a lot of them. Quite frankly, you can use this for so much. I have already used this product 3 times today. So yeah, should we dive into the grape water of Caudalie? So the first thing you can use this product for, this is actually crowdsourced. My friend suggested this one, and it's genius. It is the most amazing hangover refresher. Now, if you feel hungover, if you feel tired, groggy, just dry, your eyes feel dry, your skin feels dry, you just feel dry and hot, and like you just need to be clean on the inside and the outside and just given just like a boost, and a shower is not enough. You need something that's just gonna like dig deep into your skin. This is it. It contains grape water, orange blossom, rose, organic balm mint, and rosemary. It's very natural, very clean, it's very lovely. It's of course sulfate, paraben, all that kind of thing free, and it just feels really good, really refreshing. So if you have a hangover, reach for the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. It's gonna sort you out. Oh, and then go get a fried breakfast. The next thing I use it for, and this is something I did actually use it for this morning, I use it to hydrate my beauty sponge. As always, you know, before you put on your foundation, you wet your beauty sponge a little bit, and instead of using water, I mixed a little bit of this, and yeah, it works a treat. It's also more hydrating, so if you do have dry skin, which I do, it is a good way to kind of add just a little bit more hydration into your skin while you're putting on your makeup. You can also use it as a pillow mist. I personally like it when I'm traveling, especially in the summer, because it's quite refreshing, it's quite clean and hydrating, and sometimes other people's laundry doesn't smell quite like yours, and it doesn't smell quite as fresh as yours. So this is a really nice way to kind of freshen up your bed linen, freshen up your holiday hotel bed linen. You can just mist it on the pillow and it will just make you feel clean, feel a little bit more at home, a little bit more zen. It's gonna make you feel good. Next, it's a great toner. You can use it after cleansing to tighten your pores and just like add that pump of coldness. Also, if you do keep it in the fridge, of course, it's gonna help even more tighten your pores. Now, if you're feeling very bougie and you have very fabulous friends coming around, you can actually use this as a room mist. It smells gorgeous. I'm gonna spritz some. It smells so clean, it smells so fresh and radiant, and it just kind of seems to purify the air. It is obviously a very expensive room mist. I wouldn't just spritz it willy-nilly, but if you do have somebody coming around and you just want to freshen up the air, maybe it feels a bit stale, it feels like you haven't opened the windows because it's a cold day, this is a really good way to kind of just get some freshness and some fresh air and some fresh purity into the room. And it is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous room mist. Next, you can use it throughout the day as a makeup refresher. You can use it on bare skin, or you can use it over makeup, and you just... And if you feel like your makeup is just like kind of failing because it's like midway through the day, your skin is a bit dry, maybe the heating's been on too much, and you just need that boost of refresher, and you need just to kind of like get your makeup a little bit more pumped up, this is gonna do it. You can use it before makeup as kind of a beauty prep, or you can use it after makeup as a setting spray. It works great as a setting spray. I used it today as a setting spray, and also I love it because I find a lot of setting sprays a little bit like using hairspray on your face, whereas this one feels really fresh, really natural, sets your makeup, but in a way that feels really good and doesn't make you feel, that was my phone, doesn't make you feel tight and hairspray. Do you know the feeling? Do you know that feeling? Is that just me? But yeah, I really like it as a makeup setter. I think it works great that way. Also, you can spritz it on your face before your makeup to kind of prep your skin and kind of add that hydration before you use your foundation. or you can use it on your bare skin if you're having a no makeup day and you just want your skin to feel a little bit brighter and fresher, and kind of, even though you're not wearing makeup, you just might still want to look a bit more like you have radiant, glowing skin. It's also perfect in the summer. It's just like a cooling, refreshing mist if you're about to go into a meeting, or you're just feeling a little bit overwhelmed, a little bit hot, a little bit sticky, and you just want something to kind of like purify you, make you feel cleaner, make you feel just a degree cooler and a degree fresher. This is something that will really make you feel fresher on the inside as well as the out, and it will also make you kind of smell a bit better because it has such a gorgeous scent with its organic mint balm and the rosemary and the grape and the rose. It does smell gorgeous and fresh, and it will just make you feel kind of just a bit cooler and refreshed, more like a summer babe rather than a summer melted ice cream. So that is my video. They are all the ways to use the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. If you have any other uses, please do let me know. This product is iconic, it's amazing. I love it, love it, love it so much. I have worked my way through bottles upon bottles upon bottles of this in my time, and I am not getting bored anytime soon. I absolutely love it. Also, before you use it, always make sure you give it a shake, because you will notice after it's been just sat for a while, it does separate a tiny amount, so always give it a shake. It's absolutely gorgeous. Can't recommend it enough. It is a hero for a reason. It has actually been going for 20 years as well, which is wild. It's the worldwide favorite, quite frankly, and I think it's my favorite product from the whole of the Caudalie range as well. So that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you again soon. Goodbye.